Hi, Nana's thinking of you. This book is called Splat the Cat and the Obstacle Course. Do you know what an obstacle course is? An obstacle course is a path that you follow that there's lots of things to do on the path, like jump over something and spin around and hop on one foot and roll over and bounce a ball, an obstacle course. Lots of things in your way that you have to do along the path. So he's on an obstacle course. Splat the cat. Ah, said Splat with a sigh. He stretched and looked outside. It was a sunny summer Saturday, a day full of possibilities. Anything could happen today. Splat, his dad called. You are taking your sister to dance class today, remember? No, thought Splat. Was that today? But Dad, Splat argued, Plank made an obstacle course in his backyard. Splat forgot he was going to help his sister. What's he going to do? But Mom was firm too. Dad and I have to clean out the garage, she said. Splat could not argue with that. So Splat took Flo to dance class. They had to walk right past Plank's house. Look at that dirty garage. Mom and Dad have to clean that out, and Splat has to take his sister Flo to dance class. But they're going to walk right past his friend's house who had the obstacle course. At dance class, Splat sulked. Means he pouted. What kind of excitement was he missing at Plank's? Here there was nothing interesting to see. He had to watch his sister dance. On the way home, Flo spotted the fun at Plank's. Ooh, said Flo, what's that? Flo went in to check out the obstacle course. You're too little, Splat called after her. Maybe you can watch. Have you ever heard someone say, you're too little? Yeah. Someday you won't be. Splat looked around. Whoa, he said in wonder. Plank's obstacle course was stunning. Look at that. Swings and tunnels and water and slides and trampolines. Oh my goodness. Yahoo! Splat! Flo called, hanging from the rings. Splat gasped, be careful! His little sister was in danger, and Splat was in charge of her. I will save you, Splat shouted. Flo's hanging from the monkey rings. But he's responsible for her. Splat started across the rings. His arms got tired in the middle. Now Flo was on the bridge. Splat had to get her. Flo, I'm coming, he cried. See, Flo's walking across the bridge. She's doing okay, isn't she? Splat almost slipped off the bridge. He caught himself, then made it across upside down. Meanwhile, Flo was halfway across the stepping stones. That Splat fell off the bridge, but he caught himself. Flo is onto the stepping stones, jumping from one to another. Flo's doing okay. Slow down, Flo, Splat cried. You'll trip and fall. Just then, Splat stubbed his toe on a stone. Whoa! Splat bounced off the trampoline. Splat flipped over Flo. Look at that. He bounced off the trampoline and flipped right over Flo. What's he going for? Looks like a mud puddle. Splat landed in the mud. Splat. Whoa, Splat, said Plank. You got the fastest time so far. Yuck. Well done, Flo said. But it was Splat who was impressed with Flo. Her strength, her balance, her speed. That's my sister, Splat declared proudly. Her good balance and her speed is from dance class, I'll bet. You have to have good balance to dance. And her strength? The next Saturday, Plank's obstacle course was still open. Rematch? Flo asked Splat. Splat nodded. But first, Splat said, dance class. Look at, she can lift her brother. Wow. Maybe Splat will start taking dance class so he can improve his strength and his balance. Not a bad idea. Thanks for listening. I love you guys. Mwah.